if you want to remove SIM card from Xiaomi 17T Pro, what you need to do is you need to take a look at the bottom side of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. Now over here, the SIM tray also has this SIM tray hole, and we need to use the eject tool in order to put it into this SIM tray hole to remove the SIM tray from the phone. So I'm just gonna put it into this hole over here now. There we go, and once it is in, apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it slightly pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers, and then you want to remove it from the phone. Now, in order to remove your SIM cards, if you have two SIM cards on your SIM tray, then it is a little bit harder to actually remove them, and you have to apply a bit of pressure and try to slightly bend the SIM tray. Of course, you don't really want to bend it and cause some damage to the SIM tray, but you might need to do that in order to make sure that one of these SIMs slightly pop out from one of these slots. There we go. Now, if you have just one SIM, then it is actually very easy to remove that card, because you can just poke it from the other side. And even to make it easier, even easier, I mean, you should be able to use, for example, the eject tool, and you can just poke it from the other side, and it comes out very easily. Of course, afterwards, you want to put the SIM tray back into the phone, so just slide it all the way in with your finger, and make sure it is fully inserted. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.